Greetings from the one-eyed farrier. I guess one eye is better than braille. And my chauffeur here, and my nursemaid, I guess you could call him today, on our way back from Ararat. And I've got a new lens in this eye here, which hopefully I'll be able to see out of tomorrow. No more contacts, although I'm going to get one in here on the way home so I don't have to wear these. And then perhaps I can see the way I have been trimming horses incorrectly for the last 15 years. That'll be a sight to see. No more fog on the specs. No more sweat in the specs. No more falling off when I bend over. So I'm really looking forward to getting my vision back and trimming some horses. So anyway, I'll catch you shortly and longly, and all the best from YouTube. Say all the best, Jay.
All the best.